9th class. This is your Pakistan studies lesson. We are on chapter number 1, that is ideological basis of Pakistan. Today we will discuss sources of ideology and need and significance of ideology. First of all, we will discuss about the sources of ideology. The factors determine an ideology is called its sources. Many factors play their role in the formation of ideologies. It includes our religious and ethical values, culture, civilization, history, and social conditions. As the religious values, civilization, and social tradition of every nation are different from other, therefore, their ideologies are also different from each other. Second topic is what is the need and significance of ideology. Ideology becomes a cause of leading the people of a nation in right direction to achieve the national goals, unity and brotherhood. Ideology is the second name of the expression of social and economic ambitions. Ideology proves helpful in achieving of the following goals. Number 1, ideology plays a vital role in keeping united the people of a nation or society, because when all the people of a nation, all the people of a society have the same thinking, then an exemplary union is found and differences are minimized. Second point is that ideology guides the nation in making the national constitution and other laws of the country. Ideological nations face no problem in legislation because the basic guiding principles already exist in form of ideology. The third point is that ideology prevents the culture, civilization, and religious values of the nation. Ideological nations remain protected from negative internal and external effects and wrong tendencies, means wrong inclination. Number fourth point is that ideology creates ability in nation to face the hardships and to solve their problems. Ideological nations never discourage in most difficult conditions, and they always search the solution of problems in the light of their ideology. Next point is that ideology plays a vital role in national identity and character building and discriminate a nation from others. Next point is that ideology persuades a nation. Ideology motivates a nation towards a purposeful life. Last point is that ideology guides towards knowledge and action and show the path of spiritualism and humanitarian along with material development. So we can say that ideology has a very significant importance in the life of every nation.